WasteNet.KG is a business network for waste management in the Kyrgyz Republic. It is a platform for comprehensive waste management solutions in the country. This is a business platform for bringing together all interested parties, whose activities are aimed at increasing the efficiency of waste collection and processing system, reducing the volume of secondary raw materials going to landfills. Membership in WasteNet.KG allows interested parties to come together in the country, implement a waste management system in organizations, demonstrate best practices and exchange experiences, and obtain the label Best Recycle Practice Environmental Certification. WasteNet.KG brings together waste-generating organizations, waste management sector enterprises, organizations providing services and goods in the field of waste management, partners, government agencies, international partners. Together we contribute to the sustainable development of Kyrgyzstan. WasteNet.KG offers waste management consulting to organize waste systems efficiently and effectively. This is participation in the events of the WasteNet.KG network on responsible consumption and waste management. The ability to stay informed about network events on social media and on the website. This is technical support for waste collection, transportation, processing and disposal enterprises. This is work within interdepartmental working groups, analysis of legislation and recommendations, including programs of green and gender financing for the purchase of equipment, modernization of processes, arrangement of collection, storage, and waste processing sites at a low interest rate of 6% per annum have been launched for extended liability of product manufacturers in packaging. WasteNet.KG provides the opportunity to adopt best waste management practices in the organization through eco-certification. The primary requirement for membership is the provision of data on saved waste. We are receptive to scheduling new meetings. Join WasteNet.KG.